In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix e-commerce website. Let's dive right in and take this step by step so you can have your online storefront up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to Wix's website. If you don't already have it bookmarked, a simple web search can lead you directly there. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. The sign-up process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. After logging in, look for the Create New Site button. This will be your launching pad to start building your e-commerce website. Now, you're faced with an important decision: choosing between a blank canvas and starting with a template. For beginners, using a template is usually much easier. Not only does it give you a solid base to work from, but it also speeds up the design process significantly. Once you've decided to go the template route, click Start with a Template. This action will take you to the template library. Here, filtering by e-commerce is key to finding the most suitable designs that will cater specifically to the needs of an online store. Take your time to explore the options available. When you find a template that resonates with your business style and objectives, simply click the Edit button. At this point, you enter the Wix editor, which is highly intuitive. To enhance your e-commerce functionalities, head over to the Wix App Market. This is a treasure trove of useful integrations that will help you sell online more effectively. In the search bar, type Wix Stores. This app is essential as it contains all the functionalities you'll need to manage products, orders, and payments. Once it appears, click Add to Site to integrate it into your website. With Wix Stores added, navigate back to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to modify your store settings to match your brand's identity and optimize it for the best customer experience. Pay attention to details like currency settings, tax collection, and shipping rules, which are crucial for a seamless operation. Now comes the creative part: customizing your storefront. This involves tweaking colors, themes, and layouts to align with your brand's image. Don't hesitate to make it uniquely yours. Finally, you'll need to set up your domain and publish your website. Wix offers custom domain options that can add professionalism and credibility to your business. Once your domain is set and you're satisfied with your design, hit the Publish button. And there it is. Your e-commerce website is live and ready for business. Congratulations! With your new online store, you're all set to reach broader audiences and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!